This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Drivebelt Replacement. Pull the hood release lever near the driver's side kick panel. Slide the safety latch and raise the hood upward. Set the parking brake and block the rear wheels. Loosen the front wheel lug nuts, raise the vehicle, and support it securely on jack stands. Remove the wheels. Remove the inner fender well splash shield. To remove the main alternator drive belt. Before removing the belt, note how it is routed among the various accessory pulleys. It also helps to make a sketch of the pulley's locations and drive belt routing path. Rotate the automatic tensioner with the correct sized wrench to relieve the belt tension. Then slip the belt off of an accessible pulley. Slowly rotate the tensioner back to its stopping point. Remove the main drive belt from the accessory pulleys. To replace the power steering pump drive belt. Since the left side engine support bracket will be removed, support the engine using a floor jack and block of wood on the jack head placed beneath the engine oil pan. The jack must remain in this position until the engine support bracket is reinstalled. Detach the wiring harness from the engine support bracket. Unscrew and remove the two engine support bracket bolts. Rotate the bracket mount pivot bolt counterclockwise to allow the bracket to move upward when necessary. Loosen the power steering pump pivot bolt. Rotate the belt adjuster bolt counterclockwise a few turns, then loosen the lock bolt. Push the power steering pump downward to relieve the belt tension, then slip the belt off of the pulley. Unhook the lower end of the belt from the crankshaft pulley. Allow the belt to pass through the engine bracket and remove the power steering pump belt. Install the power steering pump belt, allowing it to pass through the engine bracket and to be positioned onto the inner crankshaft pulley grooves, followed by the power steering pump pulley grooves. Make sure the belt sits evenly into the pulley grooves. With the pivot and locking bolts loose, turn the adjustment bolt clockwise until sufficient belt tension is applied to the belt. The tension of each belt is checked by pushing on it at a distance halfway between the pulleys. Apply about 20 pounds of force with your thumb and see how much the new belt moves in or deflects. Once the belt is at the correct tension, tighten the adjuster locking bolt and power steering pump pivot bolt securely. Install the two engine support bracket bolts and tighten them securely. Then tighten the bracket mount pivot bolt securely. Attach the wiring harness to the clip near the engine mount. Remove the floor jack and block of wood from the engine oil pan. To install the main alternator drive belt. Route the drive belt loosely among the pulleys, using the correct routing as noted when removing. Rotate the tensioner to allow the belt to be slipped onto the remaining accessible pulley, then slowly release the tensioner to apply tension to the belt. Make sure the belt sits evenly into the pulley grooves. Install the inner fender well splash shield and secure it in place with the necessary fasteners. Install the front wheels and lug nuts, then safely lower the vehicle. Tighten the wheel lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds. Unblock the rear wheels.